Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to look at some of the main tips you can use in your charts. So today I'll be showing you some of the things you can achieve without by just typing something on the text that you are. Let's start with the bold. So to bold something, so let's say I want this text bold, so you can come and ensure there are no spaces, then you put like that, then you see it becomes a bold. Then you can send then something else is you can make something italics. So if you want to italicize something, so make this italic. You can just come here and put a underscore, then also another underscore, so you make that whatever is between those two underscore italic. Another thing you can do is you can make a strike through. So strike this text. So if you want to strike this text, you just add that symbol so it strikes the text. The last one is you can achieve a monospace using these tildes. So achieve monospace, so you can put monospace. So let me put three tildes and ensure there are no spaces. Then at the end you put 3 tildes. So that's how you achieve monospace. Yeah, now this text you can send it, and once you said this, so let me send. So that's how the text will be. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. And that was how you can customize your charts in WhatsApp using quick shortcuts and while applying symbols. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.